Today I have the best natural testosterone booster I ever taken in my life. I've been taking natural testosterone boosters for the past 10 years. All junk. Just wait till you try this stuff. It has 9 ingredients of no other testosterone boosters ingredients that have in it. I'm going to show you all about it. I've been taking this for the last 10 years. This is junk. Throw it out away. I don't need it no more. Then here's a testosterone from Amazon. This is junk too. I'm going to show you all about it. It's made by the New Alpha Rat Code formula. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. So I'm on the actual site right now, so you can see. Get on the page. It's more expensive than other ones, but it's powder. It's not capsules. So if you take 2 spoonfuls, it's 5,000 milligrams. The average capsules is 500 milligrams. So 1 spoonful is 2,500 milligrams versus capsules, which is might get 500 or 1,000 milligrams. This is much better. So this is what it has in it. So never heard of this testosterone booster in any one. That's not in any of them. Then you have that one. Never heard of it. That's so good. That's a few of them I tried. Tibbers, that's in every one ever made. Never heard of this one. Honey goat weed, that's in some of them. Never heard of this product. Down here. Then you got salvia root. That's in none of them. Another good thing about this testosterone booster, it has free shipping worldwide, not just in the USA. Ship it anywhere. Increased energy levels. So for the last part of this review, I got my water. It's powder, as you see. It doesn't taste bad either. So these are testosterone booster capsules. Even though I'm supposed to try to open it, that's 1 capsule. Then we add 2. Look how little that is. Okay, who cares about that? So this is the powder. This is like a 30-day supply too. You can't measure it perfect, but look at the difference. That's not even a full spoon. I mix it with my creatine. It says serving size is 2 spoonfuls. I only take 1. Now I'm going to drink it. Doesn't taste bad either. It tastes like a regular testosterone booster. Just mix it with juice or creatine or whatever. So that's my review. The best testosterone you ever used, I guarantee you. And there's also a money-back guaranteed on this product. While the testosterone booster has that. So check out the website. The link is in my description below. Also, my name is Stuttering Matt. If you like hearing me stutter, subscribe to my channel. I have tons of other videos on my channel.